In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Beyond Van Gogh discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Beyond Van Gogh discount codes. Right here, we'll have this website which is called wordpenny.com. And as you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 120% off discount, all I have to do is select show code right here, and the coupon code is loading, and I can copy it and use on my next purchase. As you can see right here, this promo code is also verified, which means that this promo code is working 100%. All I have to do is select copy code right here, and this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponbirds.com. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 50% off discount, all I have to do right here is select get code. And this is a discount code. I can copy this one right here and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.